Question is, which savings account will yield a greater return over 1 year, an account that pays 10% compounded quarterly, or an account that pays 9.6% compounded monthly? Here's how we're going to solve that problem, and we're going to use the compound interest formula to find the solution. And the formula is as follows: f is equal to p times 1 plus I all to the t, where p is the initial sum, I is the interest rate, t is the amount equal to time intervals, and f is the final sum. And the final sum is the initial sum plus the interest. Now we'll take case 1 as being the 10% compounded quarterly. Using the formula, f is equal to p times 1 plus I to the t. F is the final sum, p is 1000, I, which is your interest rate, again is 0.1, and take a note that 0.1 is equal to your 10%, t is equal to 4, and take a note that your 4 is equal to quarterly time intervals. And here's the workings for this example. And f is equal to p times 1 plus I to the t. When you sub in your values, you get f is equal to 1000 times 1 plus 0.1 all to the 4, and that answer is €1,464.10. Now moving on to the second case, the 9.6% compounded monthly. We'll use the same formula again. F again is your final sum, P is 1000, I is your interest rate, which is equal to 0.096, and take a note that 0.096 is equal to 9.6%. T is equal to 12. Take a note that 12 is equal to monthly time intervals. Here's the workings for that now, and f is equal to 1000 times 1 plus 0.096 to the 12, and when you work that all out, you get €3,004.18. So to remind ourselves what the question was again: which savings account will yield a greater return over 1 year, an account that pays 10% compounded quarterly, or an account that pays 9.6% compounded monthly? And your answer is the second account, with 9.6% compounded monthly, yields a greater return. This account yields a return of €3,004.18, which is a difference between the two of them, when you take them away, is €1,540.08, and it has more than the 10% compounded quarterly.